everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Please just take a second to subscribe down below, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, I have this Halloween Bambi look. So if you guys want to know what I did to achieve it, just keep on watching. So we'll start off with the foundation. This is the Rare Beauty foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and put everywhere on my face. Take my beauty blender and blend it all in. Okay, so we can't forget the neck. And I'll go ahead and use my brush for the neck. Is the concealer, and I wear this e.l.f. 16-hour full coverage matte Camo concealer, and we're gonna put it in all the areas where we normally put concealer. And we're gonna go ahead and blend it in. And we're not gonna blend it too much because it's part of the look. So the fun part is the contour, at least for me. So we're gonna use Fenty Beauty in the color Truffle, and we're basically gonna use it in all the areas where we would normally contour. Using the brush, we're going to blend it, but not too much, because we want the brown to be accentuated. Put some of the contour stick on the eyelids, and with your fingertip just blend it out.
Just adding an extra layer of concealer to brighten the under eyes and just highlight that area.
Now we're gonna put some contour in the nose. Take this little black marker or crayon and draw
the cute little nose.
And now with my NYX retractable eyeliner, I'm just going to perfect this line.
Taking my beauty blender, I'm just blending out the nose highlight.
And now with this cream color, I'm gonna go ahead and do the dots.
Now I'm just going in with the crayon to perfect the circles.
I'm gonna do my upper lip. And then with my contour, I'm gonna go ahead and just outline my bottom lip. Taking my Epic eyeliner from NYX, I'm gonna go ahead and do my winged liner. Okay, so I'm gonna put my lashes on, and I have the Ardell Wispies. Right here, they are the double 113s, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add the dual glue. Let it dry for a bit. So now we're gonna do the brows, and we're gonna do the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. We're gonna use a little bit of concealer to clean up the brows. Make it look more real, I've actually spiked up the hairs from the eyebrows because we are an animal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some concealer dots on my lids.
I'm now applying eyeliner in the inner corner of my eyes.
This is the final look. This is Bambi. So this is a pretty easy look. Doesn't take that much time. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!